Hello folks, Double Tap here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a beer review on the Blind Pig. Now before I start, a couple of people have been asking when are you doing your next homebrew and things like that. Not been doing anything for a few weeks. The videos that have been put up for the past week or two, they were already on my YouTube channel. I'd uploaded them a while back, but I had a bad car crash, head-on smash. My car's written off. I've done my neck, my back, my shoulder, my knee, stuff like that. So I haven't been doing anything really with regards homebrewing and stuff like that, because lifting the 23 litre fermenters and stuff like that, I really don't want to take any chances with my back. But what I will do is at a later date, when all the insurance and the claims are all sorted out, because it's 100% the other driver's fault, I will upload the video so you can see it. And it ain't the best, I know that much, but I've got a car cam and all that lot, and what I will say is they're worth the weight in gold. They really are. So let's crack on and do this beer review. Right then. This is a whiskey, honey and apple, and it's the cider of the night, whatever that means. 5.5% volume. Let me give you a quick look around the bottle. Now this one I brought from a place called Home Bargains, which is a shop that sells odds and ends in England, and this one, I think it cost me £1.05, but it's only a, I think it's a, yeah, it's 355ml bottle. I thought it was a 330, something like that. So, cider blended with notes of whiskey, honey and apple flavour. 11 US proof, don't know what that is. Batch and something or other, cider. It contains sulphates and things like that, and there's not really much bump as to anything about it, so might as well get it open and have a little blast, see what it's like. Right, crown cap has got a little apple on there, and it says bottled in summer or other. It's like scribbled out, some sort of marketing thing. I mean, I prefer to see what's written there, not some scribbles and that sort of thing, but that's just me, I guess. Right, this is supposed to be a honey and apple cider, so loads of carbonation going on. Looks pretty good. I can smell it from here. Okay, not too sure about the smell at the moment. To give you a closer look at that, you can see the carbonation and that going on. Because it's a cider, you're not going to get any head or head retention, stuff like that. But, I mean, it does smell extremely appley, like a cloudy cider, or like a scrumpy cider. Not picking up at anything else like the honey. Okay, let's give it a blast. Cheers folks. Ooh, it's what's the flavour? It's got like an oaky bourbon type taste to it. I could put it on a par with like a mild treacle as well. It's definitely got some poke to it. A few of them and you'd know about it. Very mild apple flavour, which is on the back note of the flavour. Then pronounced flavours you're getting straight away are the ones that I mentioned first. the back note one is that apple. Yeah, it's like a caramel, toffee apple, that sort of flavour's coming through now. Would I buy it again? It's a hard one because I don't dislike it. The flavours are quite nice. I initially thought that it was going to be like a more chemical type taste from when I was smelling it. It had that type of smell to it. Would I buy it again? Possibly. I can't say yeah and I can't say no. I've tasted better ciders that I prefer myself, like the John Westons and stuff like that. I don't know. I really don't know with this one. Can't say it's a bad pint because it's a good pint. For the money, you know, it ain't too bad. It's just over £1, but you're not getting a full pint. I don't know. I really don't know with this one. Marks out of 10. For me, I'll give it a 7 because it's not unnice. It isn't a bad pint. It's all right. But yeah, it's a mixed bag, this review. It's quite a hard one to do as well because I've not made my mind up about it. I think if I'd have brought a few of them and I'd drank them over the course of an hour or two, it might be a different outcome, and plus I'd be half cut anyway. So the review would be quite different. But if you've not tried it, give it a go. Blind Pig. It ain't a bad beer. Cider. So, and you know what? It's one of them new ones where you've got to try it, see if you like it. You either do or you don't. But anyway, I think I'm going to leave it there, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Try to do these videos all the time, but as I was saying, I've been a bit banged up just lately and I've got tons of bloody stuff that I've now got to sort out. So I think we'll leave it there, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm Double Tap, and I'll catch you in the next episode. So bye for now, and cheers. Lovely jubbly.